Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mark with an update of our farming activity. So, like you can see, we have a lot of plants going on there. So, let's take a quick look. All right, this is our setup. And I can see we have a lot of tomatoes and peppers down there. Those are cherry tomatoes, organic seed from Johnny's, and those are heirloom tomatoes, again organic seed from Johnny's. So we have bell pepper, green pepper, hot pepper, habanero pepper. We have a lot of peppers going on here. So this is our onions. We start already transplanting them, and I'm gonna show you uh, the onion that we transplant. And look at this. These are those are our eggplant here. We got more onions. Those onions did not do very good. We lost a lot of them, but we were able to save a few onions. Those and we have more pepper coming up. Eggplant. We have kale over there. Okay, baby kale coming out, and we got this big tomato plant right there. This is ready to flower, and then look at that. Our pepper is already flowering. Okay, so we transplant our first set of onion, and I'm going to show you in a minute. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is our transplanted onion. You can see we transplanted onion. Okay, this is garlic there. This garlic we planted them last year, November. Put them in the ground. Okay, so they're doing pretty good. They look good. All right, so onion is already transplanted, and more onions there. Look at that, onions. If you don't like onions, sorry for you. So, and more onions over here. Look at that. And we have two more bed of onions. There's one bed over there. Let me show you that bed. And onions. Look at that. So we have a lot of onions, and then we have another bed of onions. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to harvest those onions by June so that we can have the bed ready for tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants, and cucumbers, and all of those stuff. Okay, so if you don't know about our big garden in the Catskill, we have videos about it. You can find them on this channel. And we having a cornfield in the Catskill, and then another vegetable field in our property in the Catskill. Follow along, and I'll show you what's going on in the garden. Take care now.